The new YouTube AI algorithm. The new YouTube AI algorithm is watching everything. YouTube is no longer run by simple code. It's run by something much smarter. It's called Gemini. And if you don't know what it is, think of it as Google's version of ChatGPT, but way more powerful. And it's now in charge of the entire YouTube algorithm. Here's what that means for you and for me, because I'm a YouTube creator as well. Before, YouTube looked at simple signals, tags, titles, how long people watched, basic stuff. Now Gemini watches your actual video frame by frame, word by word, sound by sound. It listens to what you say. It reads text on screen. It looks at the images you show. It even picks up on your tone. If your video is meant to be funny, it knows. If you're being sarcastic, it knows that too. The AI algorithm powered by Gemini doesn't read your tags. It watches your content and decides for itself what your video is about. Your title matters less than your actual words. Your thumbnail matters less than your actual visuals. The AI sees through the packaging and judges the product inside. So now what you're doing inside the video actually matters. And here's where it gets really interesting. Everything I just told you isn't only scary, it's actually the best opportunity small creators have had in years. Because when Gemini understands your video perfectly, the tone, the visuals, the topic, the pacing, the emotion, it can finally send your video to the right people. Not random viewers, not the wrong niche, the right audience, the people who stay, comment, subscribe, and binge. This is why some small creators went from nothing to 1 million views in a few weeks. Gemini matched their video to the perfect viewer model. Before this update, YouTube often guessed wrong. Videos were pushed to audiences that didn't care, people clicked out, and the algorithm buried the channel. Now the AI understands your content in a way the old system never could. And it rewards you by pushing your video to the exact viewers who love that style. For creators who care about quality, this new algorithm is a massive advantage. But this new level of AI understanding also means something else. If the system can detect when a channel is real, it can also detect when a channel feels fake. And that's where thousands of creators got hit. Gemini doesn't just analyze your video, it analyzes you, your behavior, your patterns, how you act on the platform. YouTube is trying to answer one question: is this a real human making real content? This leads to the next change, one that got thousands of channels deleted just last month. YouTube likely gives every channel a hidden score. They don't show it to you, but it probably exists, and it controls everything. I call it your trust score. Think of it like a credit score, but for your channel. The higher it is, the more YouTube trusts you. The more it trusts you, the more your videos get pushed. The lower it is, the more invisible you become. So how do you raise your trust score? How do you prove you're real? YouTube now watches everything you do. Even if you follow the rules and do everything right, your channel can still get terminated if the AI makes a mistake. You can get it back, but it's slow and stressful, so it's better to avoid that risk. Let me paint a picture. A brand new email is created. 10 minutes later, a YouTube channel is made. 1 hour after that, a video goes live. Then another. Every single day. The account doesn't watch videos, doesn't subscribe, doesn't comment. It just posts non-stop. Could that be a real person? Sure. But statistically, accounts like this are almost always content farms, bots or AI-generated channels pumping out low-quality videos. So Gemini flags them. That's why starting a new channel can be risky. Not impossible, but risky. Because new accounts have zero trust. Zero trust means Gemini is watching you closely. Here's the fix. Use an email that's been around for a while. A personal Gmail you've used for years. That email has history and behavior. Gemini sees that and assumes you're real. Even better if you have Google subscriptions like YouTube Premium or Google One. The older the account, the safer you are. There's one more powerful trust signal most creators skip: the channel trailer. When YouTube reviews your channel, a real human will likely check it, and the first thing they see is your trailer. Most creators leave it blank or put a random video there. Big mistake. Your channel trailer is your chance to explain who you are and what you do. Explain your content, your process, your scripts, your editing, your ideas. Be transparent. Answer the questions before they're even asked. Now, a quick note. Turning long-form videos into short clips takes forever. That's why many creators lose momentum. Consistency matters more than ever. YouTube rewards creators who post both long-form and shorts. If you post one long video every week or two and shorts every day, you're showing the algorithm you're real and consistent, and it rewards that behavior. Back to the algorithm. YouTube doesn't just analyze your videos anymore, it analyzes viewers. Every viewer has a behavioral profile: what they watch, how long they stay, what makes them click, and what makes them leave. YouTube builds viewer models and predicts what they want next with scary accuracy. Your video isn't competing with every video on YouTube. It's competing for specific people. The system tests your video on a small group. If they watch, engage, and stay satisfied, the reach expands. If they don't, the video dies. This is why niches matter more than ever. If your content is too broad, YouTube doesn't know who to show it to. But if it's clearly for a specific type of person, the algorithm knows exactly where it belongs. Finally, the last factor. Viewer satisfaction. YouTube's goal isn't clicks, it's satisfaction. Clickbait gets clicks, but it hurts trust. So YouTube now measures whether viewers were happy after clicking. Don't just make videos people click on. Make videos people are glad they watched. Deliver what you promise. Provide real value. Gemini also analyzes creator intent. Is the creator trying to help viewers or just extract attention? AI is getting very good at detecting that. The creators who genuinely care about value are the ones winning. Content, energy, pacing, and storytelling matter more than ever. Not because they game the algorithm, but because they make viewers happy. And happy viewers are what YouTube wants. If you want to grow faster, focus on that.